Breadth first search is a graph traversal algorithm used in AI for exploring nodes layer by layer. It is widely applied in problem solving and pathfinding scenarios. BFS guarantees finding the shortest path in an unweighted graph, making it suitable for various AI applications such as game playing, robot navigations, and puzzle solving. Let's see a quick example to understand BFS in better way. Here from this unweighted graph, let's find the shortest path. I'm taking the first node, which is A, and marking all its adjacent nodes and maintaining a separate list for visited nodes. Here the first list has B, C, D. Then I'm taking the next node, which is B, and marking its adjacent nodes. Here the goal is to show how traversing is working in BFS. BFS in general, it takes adjacent nodes. If you notice, E and F node took its previous node B. You can see the final order of BFS in the visited nodes.